my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a roast dinner, but it's going to be a whole chicken that I will cook in Ninja Foodi, but also I'm going to be making a giant Yorkshire pudding as well. So I never made one of those before, so that's going to be something different for me. So hopefully it all pans out well. So let's make a start. And there is my bird. She's looking alright. I think she's a good size for £3.50. So now I'm going to season her. So I'm going to use a bit of I'm going to use a bit of rock salt. Add a bit of black pepper. A bit of garlic granules. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some salt and pepper inside. I'm going to use table salt for this one. I won't be able to twist and hold. So just put a bit of salt in there. I'm also going to put some 3 garlic cloves as well in there. Some onion as well. I'll just roughly chop some onion. Just stick that inside as well. There we go. And that's it for the bird. I'll put a bit of mixed herbs and smoked paprika over the top as well. Bit of mixed herbs. Not too much smoked paprika, but just a little bit. And that will do. Next step, I'm now going to put her into the crisp basket. You never get to see me do this, but we'll try. Basically, you just lift her up and place her in. She fits perfectly. If I had a large one, I don't think it would fit. But there she is, she's popped in. So leave her there for a moment. In the pot, I'm going to add some onion. Just roughly chopped onion. And 200 millilitres of chicken stock as well. Which is not a lot really. I forgot to film it. I thought I pressed the button. So basically we put the pressure cooker lid on. We're going to put it on pressure on a high for around 20 minutes. It's actually going to be 22 minutes. I just have to double check. So we press start. So that is going to heat up and then it should kick in straight away. Right, so the pressure cooking is finished. I've left it for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to turn it to vent, and this is the bit where it always makes me jump. So we're just going to leave it like that until it stops. Now it's stopped, and this little silver thing has gone all the way to the bottom. Now I can take the lid off. Ooh, smoky. There we go. So now I'm going to pull down the lid, the air crisp lid, and we're going to air crisp this for 15 minutes. So function to air crisp. No, I forgot I'm adding more seasoning because look, half of it is it's come off on the pressure cooker. I'm going to add a bit more of smoked paprika as well. So I like smoke-free because it gives it a nice colour. So I'm now going to cook it on 200 and the time is going to be 15. And off we go. Now guys, look at that. And that, to me that looks banging. Looks very nice, it smells very nice. I'm going to have to try and get this bad boy out. This is going to be the tricky part. Now this is going to be the tricky part, but we'll see how we get on. Because this is very hot. I'll try not to drop this. Let's just tip it all out. No. It worked without dropping it. I'm very happy with that. And look at this. Ooh, that does look delicious. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover this up with foil, okay? I'm going to leave it to rest. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pressure cook the potatoes for the mash. So now I'm going to pour in boiling water. And I'm going to add in the potatoes. And I'm going to pressure cook them. So on goes the lid. And we've got to turn that round. And I'm going to pressure cook on high for 8 minutes. Potatoes are now done, so now I'm going to do the broccoli. So we're going to pressure cook this as well. I'm using frozen broccoli because it's all I have. I haven't got no fresh. I think that'll be enough, and I'm going to add some water. Pour a cup of water over. Put the lid back on. That's it. Lock it. Turn it over. And we're gonna pressure for time 0 minutes. Look at that. The broccoli is cooked. No minutes. Do you know, I'm quite impressed with this chicken. It looks really nice. I forgot to, I thought I was filming, I've done that again. I'm so silly. So I just carved a bit of chicken, as you see. It's very nice. I like the skin, but I'm going to have to take the skin off because I can't have that. But it smells delish. So let's serve up the dinner then. So we've got some mash. I only use 2 potatoes for the mash, which is not bad. What's next? Is going to be the broccoli. So I'm just going to add the skin there for show for my photo for Instagram. I'm not going to eat because if I have the skin, it becomes Sims, and I don't really want to do that. I've been doing quite well this week on my weight loss. So today is Wednesday. I've already lost 8 pounds. So I've been very quite strict this week on Slimming World. I've not been using all my Sims, but I've been riding my bike and going for walks. So yeah, I'm doing quite well. I was quite surprised that, you know, £8 loss. I've got quite a lot of chicken because, you know, I like chicken. Chicken is free. But I'm only gonna have like 1/2 of the chicken, and then I will carve the rest, and then I might even freeze the rest, or I might have it, you know, some chicken sandwiches or something, or just have it carved up and it's something I can keep in the fridge, you know, for just pick at it, you know. But there we go, that is my dinner. Just gonna add a bit of gravy over the top. And there we have it. We have a whole chicken roast dinner cooked in the Ninja Foodi. Hello guys, so dinner was absolutely beautiful. If you don't have a Ninja, you should get one. It's well worth it. Chicken took 37 minutes. Nah, I think that's impressive. It was very nice, well cooked. I mean, I've got nothing else to say about it. It's just very tasty, and you should definitely get one of these machines. They are bad boy. But yeah, it was nice. I enjoyed it, and that is the end of my video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please give the video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon with more Ninja Foodi recipes.